Did you know that eating grapes with certain foods can harm your health? Learn the best and worst food pairings to keep your brain and body healthy. Hello, this is Dr. Cuckoo, your guide to the best health tips. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so now and like this video. Share it with your loved ones to spread the knowledge. Just like people, some foods get along great while others don't. When foods match well together, they can make you healthier by boosting each other's nutrients. For example, certain foods can help your body absorb vitamins better, or provide a good mix of nutrients that work well together. But when foods don't match well, it can cause problems. Bad food combinations can upset your stomach, make medicines less effective, or even create harmful substances in your body. Grapes are known as the fruit of the gods, rich in antioxidants, glucose, fructose, and organic acids. They are excellent for relieving fatigue, boosting energy, and improving vascular health. In this video, I'll tell you 3 worst foods to eat with grapes and the 3 best foods to eat with one. Seafood. Seafood is very nutritious, but eating it with grapes can cause digestive issues and make the meal less healthy. This happens because grapes contain tannins, a type of antioxidant that can react with the calcium and proteins found in seafood. When tannins in grapes mix with the calcium and proteins in seafood, they create a substance that is hard for your stomach to digest. This can lead to problems like bloating, stomach pain, and even vomiting. So, while both grapes and seafood are good for you on their own, it's best not to eat them together to avoid these digestive troubles. 2. Blood pressure medication. Grapes can mess with how your body handles blood pressure medicine. They have compounds that block the enzymes that break down the medication. This means the medicine stays in your body longer and can make your blood pressure drop too low. To avoid this, don't eat grapes around the time you take your medication. Leave a few hours between eating grapes and taking your medicine to keep your blood pressure safe. 3. Grape juice. Grape juice has a lot of sugar, which can make your blood sugar levels go up quickly, especially if you have diabetes. This is because the sugar in the juice gets into your blood faster than when you eat whole grapes. Also, making grape juice concentrates both the good and bad parts of the grapes. So, you get more nutrients, but also more of the stuff that's not so good for you. It's better to eat whole grapes instead of drinking grape juice to keep your blood sugar stable and stay healthier. Now here are 3 best foods, combinations with grapes. 1. Meat. When you eat grapes with meat, the antioxidants in grapes team up with the meat to make digestion better. They reduce the bad stuff that forms when meat is digested, and they also make the meal taste better. So, combining grapes with meat not only improves how your body handles the food, but also adds flavor and health benefits to your meal. 2. Apples. When you eat grapes and apples together, you're getting a lot of antioxidants and flavonoids. These are good for your heart and help keep your blood flowing smoothly. They also protect your cells and reduce inflammation in your body. So, by enjoying grapes and apples, you're not only enjoying their tasty combination, but also giving your heart a healthy boost and lowering your risk of heart problems. It's an easy way to take care of your health with delicious fruits. 3. Cheese. Grapes and cheese taste really good together because they balance sweet and savory flavors. The sweetness of grapes goes well with the rich taste of cheese. Plus, grapes are juicy and refreshing, which contrasts nicely with the creamy texture of cheese. When you eat grapes with cheese, you're also getting a mix of nutrients. Grapes have antioxidants and vitamins, while cheese provides protein, calcium, and healthy fats. Whether you're snacking on them together or adding grapes to a cheese plate, it's a tasty and nutritious combination that you'll enjoy. To keep it simple, don't eat grapes with seafood, blood pressure medicine, or grape juice. These can cause problems like digestion issues or medication not working right. Instead, eat grapes with meat, apples, or cheese. These combinations taste great and give you lots of good nutrients like antioxidants, vitamins, protein, and healthy fats. It's an easy way to enjoy grapes while staying healthy and enjoying delicious flavors. Tell us your favorite way to enjoy grapes. Do you like them with cheese, apples, or something else? Share your food pairing experiences with us in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe, like, and share this video. Stay healthy and happy.